Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. So let's get started. Open the Facebook application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Facebook application, search for the person you want in your followers or on the home page of the application. By finding the person you want to block, click on their profile picture. Clicking on the profile picture will open a new page where you will find three dots on the left side of the screen and click on them. And then in the drop-down menu on the new page, look for the block option and click on it. When you click on the block option, the application will ask you if you are sure you want to block this person and explain some things like, they won't be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start chat with you, or add you as a friend. If you want to block this person, all you have to do is click on the block option. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can block someone on Facebook and take control of your social media experience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.